Hey folks, Esley Caldwell here with Caldwell Family Wellness, and I want to talk about a topic that we get asked on a pretty frequent basis, and that is whether you should use heat or whether you should use cold. There are a number of different sort of perspectives out there on which therapy is best, and honestly, from my standpoint, they both have some advantages. Having said that, generally, from the standpoint of Chinese medicine and acupuncture, we are going to really emphasize heat. Ice has a role to play, in particular, within the first 72 hours, the first 3 days of an acute injury. Ice can help to reduce swelling. So if you want to use ice, use it early on after you have an injury. When it is a chronic issue, when it's something you've had for a while, you don't necessarily want to freeze it. You want there to be circulation and blood flow going to that area. And so that's why we prefer heat. For our patients, we have infrared lamps that we use. We put over your lower back or your knee or your shoulder, or an injured area, to help bring that circulation. Circulation brings healing, it brings blood flow, it brings movement, nourishment for the tissue, for the area that is affected. Cold slows things down. It's going to congeal, it's going to stagnate, and we want there to be movement in these injured areas. So again, ice, just the first 72 hours, and then from then forward, use heat. Now, for folks that have been using ice for a chronic issue, if you feel better with it, hey, keep doing it. I'm not going to say stop using ice, but maybe add some heat in and see if the heat can give some benefit for you. So those are just some important things to think about with temperature and therapy and recovery, and especially now as we head into winter. A lot of folks are going to notice that their pain gets worse from the drop in temperature or from the increased dampness in the air when it's raining a lot. So in those situations, you definitely want to use heat. All right, if you have any questions, let us know. And again, I'm Esley Caldwell with Caldwell Family Wellness, and you can check us out online at caldwellacupuncture.com. Take care.